morning friends, welcome back to yoga session. Yoga is the gateway to health. So before doing yoga, let us know something about chakras. There are 7 main chakras in our body. If there is any blockage in the chakra, it will lead to illness. So let me show you just a picture again in my book, Life is Beautiful. The 7 chakras. It is located from the base of the spine up away above in the crown center. These are the 7 chakras. We will look into details. So what is chakra? Chakra means it is a wheel and it is spinning energy around, and the energy flows through the chakras freely like that. If there is any blockage, what I said, it will lead to diseases. So let us see the chakras and let us be aware of the qualities of each chakra and the point of the chakra to get more benefits when we do yoga, concentrating on that points. Okay, so let me show you the chakras. The first one is at the base of the spine. Let me turn around. It is at the point of the tailbone. That is root chakra. It is Muladhara. And it is the center of grounding. It is the center of security. And from there the prana flows up like that. The second one is just below the navel, like this. When below the navel point, when you put the 4 fingers like this, the spot is under the little finger. This is the sacral chakra, that is known as Swatisthana. It is the center of feelings. It is the center of intimacy. And the third one is just put the fingers like this above the navel, and the chakra falls here, and that is the solar plexus. It is the Manipura chakra. It is the center of happiness. And then comes the heart chakra. It is very important chakra because out of the 7 centers, the heart chakra is the middle one with 3 lower chakras and 3 upper chakras. So this is the center of love. This is the center of compassion. Then comes the Vishuddhi chakra at the base of the throat here, and it is the center of communication. It is the center of self-expression. And then comes the chakra, third eye center. It is here in the forehead, just above the eyebrows. It is the center of wisdom, intellect, intuition. Then comes the 7th chakra, that is in the crown. It is known as crown center or Sahasrara. And it is the point, it is the heart line connecting to the universe. So it is very important as the upper chakra, sending the universal energy to all the other chakras in the body. These are the 7 chakras. Let us see where it is located. We can see in a newborn baby or in an infant, the soft point here in the skull, it is moving up and down. That is the point. Just draw a line from that point down up to the spine, up to the base of the spine. So we can see that it is in the center, and the line goes, I touch here, but it is not situated here. It is situated in that straight line from the crown center down, down, down to the base of the spine. So the chakras, all the 7 chakras are located like that. From the root chakra or Muladhara, then comes the sacral chakra, that is Swatisthana, then comes the Manipura chakra, that is solar plexus, and I think I forgot to say one thing also, it is the center of self-esteem. and self-appreciation. Then comes the heart chakra, then comes the throat chakra. It is known as heart chakra, it is known as Anahata. Throat chakra, it is known as Vishuddhi. And finally, the seventh one, it is the crown chakra. So in yoga, it is very important to cleanse the chakras and to balance the chakras. That will be followed tomorrow. And that is it for today about the chakras. Thank you, my dear friends. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.